অঙ্গ, অমিত, দাশরথী, জবন দাস, মোহিত দাস, শিশির পান, চুদির পান, দীপঙ্কর, দিব্যেন্দু চুদি বুড়া মুড়া জীবন দুগ্গর, কমলাক্ষ কামার, সুধীন কর্মকার, চুদমারানী চুদির বাচ্চা ভেটেনারিয়া, तुजित चुदमारानी, तुषार हिजड़े, तुषित भद्र अभद्र चुदमारानी, सारे अशुभंकर, इनऑस्पिशियस। इनके चाचा ताती जो मनीष चुदमारानी IIT के खड़गपुर है, इनका पिता चुदखोर थे मिलिट्री में। इनका भाईरा भाई गोविंद कर्मकार चुदखोर ब्रिटिश आर्मी मिलिट्री जो भी है, दुर्गापुर कोल का माफिया थे। ये सब गुदखोर सारे बंगाल का सोनागाछिया जो ज़मींदार में लोगों उनका बेश्या हुआ करते थे। इनके द प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स लेडीज बच्चे सारे सोनागाछी में ये लोग बंगाल वेटनरी कॉलेज में सिंस 1947 almost all the Chudir Nandans got admissions they to drink shrav of that fact. The prostitutes, criminals, ladies, that pushy, pass, blood-stained drinker, that would have name tag that as a Biplabi revolutionary to destroy the Bengal cult, Chudir Nandan, Chudkhor, Gudkhor, Fata, raped Chudamarani, Chudir, Chud Chata, Chudir Bacha. Sare, they have spoiled whole Indian science, morality, religious, greatness, glorious place. This Chudir Bacha was that fake currency like Achal Paisa. Those who cannot be run as a coin in the market. That currency is a fake currency, illegal currency. This Chudamaranis, Sudhir घोष, अधीर घोष, प्रधीर घोष, इनका पूरा लीनिएज ग्रैंड सन तो ग्रैंडफादर चुद चाटा। ये मधु चपड़ा के ले से सारे बहन 100 to 100 बहन, इनका मदर्स 20-25 prostitute ladies of Indian times of जमींदारी and Raj families, prostitute girls and leaderships, criminals, particularly Islamic leadership where they got मतलब value as Hindu Konna they get to rape. The Chudmaranis prefers usually Pakistani, Dawoodi Ibrahim closeness they prefer. This Chudkhor, Gudkhor, they are doing devastations on the human life. Today and every day, my little girls, honest, my Kalika, they reading their human killing machines data. These criminals, enemies of your country, have killed your innocent Indian, your relative, family, society, caste, peoples. This number, today the Arliman report, they are busy with catch the dead souls whole psychosomatic field in their machines, so they can easily send the honest Sage in hell. As they killed Atal Bihari Vajpayee, if you believe, the Somnath Chatterjee Chudir Nandan, Pranab Mukherjee Chudir Nandan, but this Arun Jaitley or Sushma Swaraj Manohar Parkar, that not as a liar just like Narendra Modi, is a Nararakkhas Chudir Bacha, Chudkhor, Gudkhor, Shala Shuarer Bacha, Beshar Nandan, Chudir Nandan, Chudmarani Shuarer Bacha. There's so many death, sudden, stronger, uncertain. All ages of peoples without disease is frightened when he to lose life for what reason, and that aged of ladies to see these young peoples, their grandchildren to die, suddenly fall down, succumb, just heart failure, दम बंध मतलब suffocation, arresting the respiration, cardiac choking, that environment micro mini weights becoming so heavy they cannot वो जो चुद महारानी चुदिर साला प्राणायाम सिखाए ना, वो प्राणायाम का जो सांस लेना, इस सांस लेने का जो एनवायरनमेंट स्मूथनेस का ज़रूरत है, जिस एनवायरनमेंट्स ड्यू टू हैकिंग Delhi air become choked, polluted frequently unless I break from here as my earth churning power to whole universe to reach even sun also. In that sense, that for this putting their various imbalancing instrument on my underneath micro areas, subtle gravitational areas, putting the balance, they are causing serially tremors every day. Today there was death. Early morning they reported my little माँ शर्मिला को वो दुग्गल हुई, वो दामिनी शामिनी वो तो डर के मर के रहना पड़ता है, उनको सिंकिंग वेसल में सिंकिंग करके मार दे सकता है। तो उनके फ्रेंड्स और वो छुट्टी की बुड़की हमारे मेदिनीपुर के जो मातंगिरी हाजरा से भी ज़्यादा हमारा वो एक मामी करते थे मथुरा के माँ जगानंद जी, उनको वो मेरे से गप्पो कहानी सुन के आई वॉज सो एडमायर माई गुरुदेव। तो उनको लेकर वो कह रहे मैं तेरा मामी हो गया जगानंद जी, छोटे उम्र का काली का ही था। तो सो मैनी एवरी डे दे टू रिपोर्ट दे हैव किल्ड योर रिलेटिव, माने योर कंट्रीमैन, योर पीपल, योर ऑनेस्ट वैष्णव शैव जो भी करो एरियन हिंदू पीपल दे हैव किल्ड। The machine is indicating this much of number. In this region they have killed. Now they are busy one portion, so they make so harden again. So you wake up, start processing. If you can save yourself and your relatives, countrymen, it is becoming so horrible. You have to do exercise, pranayam at least 3 hours, 4 hours at a stretch without any work. You cannot concentrate. You have to move here and there. So all this data is that nowadays CCTV is seeing that I will be able to show the PPTs. I am allowed. So many people reporting that they are mishappening every family. Nobody is safe. So many people is dying in India, just falling down in the field, in cow shed, in the business marketplace in early morning. So people are becoming so horrible, their situation. The people is coming early morning for work. So I was unable to get up to open my door. So these people, they are so bad people. Bad people in this Chudkhor Bengali. But I don't say that Bengali, they are Chudgoli, prostitute का गोली तो है, गली है, लेकिन बेंगो नहीं, bongo नहीं है. But these are bangojano, which can be ridiculed, their celebrities, all these veterinary kutte, IIT kutte, technologist kutte, all the military ex-kuttes, who are the servicemen of the military, elite prostitutes, chudchatter, fucked chudchatter. Indian military navy all has become that criminal prostitutes who prefer these high officers